Looking at some chairs which are going through their final stages of preparation, and we wanted to quickly demonstrate the hygienic upholstery on the CH5. So let's remove the backrest. So the backrest quickly removes to reveal the white clean tray and the seat. Yep, let's remove the seat and the leg rest as well. Yep. And there we go. So we can see how quick it is to strip the chair down for a deep clean with nothing but plastic surfaces. As you can see, there are no fixings showing, just a very easy to clean tray, and we can just pop the upholstery straight back on. We'll start with the leg rest. So we've got specially designed clips. Very, very easy to do, very firm, positive fixings. And there we go, the chair is now fully upholstered with its mattress section again, with nowhere for muck to sit.